50 million people in the world who are affected by this. We as medical personnel, it is our duty to educate the public about the disease, because in certain communities, whenever anybody's got epilepsy, they think that it is a curse of the evil. Some people tell that who has got epilepsy should not get married, should not have children, should not drive, should not swim, so many things. But the world health has improved so much that if you can diagnose the epilepsy in time, we can treat it and we can control it and we can make them be part of the society so that they can also lead a normal life like us. All of us in our family members, relatives, friends have had epilepsy who still have the wrong notion that epilepsy is an incurable disease. That's not the reason. You as young nurses, you will come across patients who will ask you about this. So it's important for you to be aware that epilepsy has to be diagnosed early, it has to be treated with medication, and that certain precautions the public has to take. If they do this, they can be normal like us. Always the example of people who had epilepsy and who have achieved normal life is a model for us. I'm sure all of you watch cricket. You must have heard of South African cricketer by name Jonty Rhodes, who was one of the best fieldsmen. He apparently had epilepsy, but he still became one of the best fielders in the world, and is a coach for so many cricket teams. Likewise, a young girl in Canada who had epilepsy, she realized that a lot of people were not aware of the implications of epilepsy. That is when she came up with this idea of having the World Purple Day. On this particular day when we wear purple, we are saying to the people who have got epilepsy into the public that epilepsy can be diagnosed early, it can be controlled, and sometimes there are some people who have got total remission of epilepsy. So for all of those people who have been treated, we are actually very happy because they are part of this. All those who have not taken treatment, either due to lack of awareness or ignorance, it is our duty to educate them and make them get treated. So on this day, let us all take a pledge saying that we will help everybody who has got epilepsy, we will take care of them, we will treat them. You all have the best role that is there in the future. I hope all of us will do this. Thank you.